Okay, welcome back, dear creatives, and I have my base right here. So we are working right now on our embellishment, and we are going to be using this beautiful crinoline 3 inches to embellish our fascinator, and I'll be teaching you how to make crinoline loop. Okay, so the loops is actually there are different types of crinoline loops that you can make, and this is another design. Okay, just go ahead and fold your crinoline into two this way. Okay, and fold it into circle, and I'm going to start small. Okay, just go ahead and thread your needle. You can use your invisible thread, which is your fishing line for this part. Okay, but I prefer to use the normal thread. Okay, so I'm going to start small this way, and I'm going to tie it. Okay, I'm just going to be tying and tacking at the same time. Okay, just go ahead and tie. I'm tying right now. I'm going to go ahead and do a tie. Very easy. Okay, and that is my first loop. Now I'm trying to secure this edge right here so it does not come off. Okay, so just go ahead and tie it this way, and as we proceed with the loop, I'm going to go ahead and continue to tack and tie. So now I'm going to go ahead and take it again, fold it. Don't forget to always fold, just go ahead and fold and make the other one just a little bit bigger than the previous one this way. Okay, can you see? And that's just how to form your loop. Okay, can you see? So I'm going to go ahead and also tack this like that till I get my desired size of this loop. Okay, so don't forget, tie and tack, tie and tack, and that is how you secure your crinoline, because if you do not secure it properly, it's actually going to bounce back. Okay, and you don't want that to happen. So that's how I'm going to go ahead and form my embellishment. Okay, so I'm going to continue by folding it. Okay, I'm making it the other step a little bit bigger also than the previous one. Okay, don't forget that this design is very easy to make. Just go ahead and take your time. Okay, and you will just get it right. Okay, so basically that is what I'm doing right now. Can you see? Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and form my loops, and then we'll attach to our fascinator base. All right. All right, so at this point, after making my loops in the middle, okay, I just made a very nice bow behind it, and I'm just going to close it up this way. Okay, this is actually not difficult. Just make your loops, and I made two and I attached them side by side. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and tack the midpoints right here. Just tack the middle, and as you can see that this middle is going to be open, so we'll be needing like just a small brooch or a stone or just a very nice trimming to cover it up. Okay, so that's that about our embellishment. So I'm going to go ahead and just tack this, finish this crinoline, and then we'll attach it to our beautiful fascinator base. All right, welcome back, dear creatives, and this is my embellishments right here, ready to be glued to my base. Okay, I just want to show you quickly how I made this, my circle feathers. Okay, it's actually this type of feathers that I got. So remember the one in the intro. So I just went ahead, I folded it into circle this way, and I glued it with my hot glue gun. Okay, so I'm going to put this aside because I'll be making use of 6. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and attach my embellishment to just go ahead and attach it. I'm just going to attach my glue just a little this way. Okay, and I'm just going to glue my crinoline on top of it. Okay, and I'm holding it in place. Make sure you hold it in place until it's properly glued. You can also go ahead and tack your crinoline to your base. It's also going to work perfectly for you. Okay, if you're going to go ahead to tack it to your base, make sure you tack it before you attach your elastic band. Okay, because we have attached the elastic band, won't be able to tack this any longer. Okay, so I'm just going to hold this in place properly, okay, till it stays, and then I'm going to add my feathers, and that will be all for this our beautiful fascinator. Okay, so it's dry right now, so I can attach my feathers. So this depends on you. I'm just going to go ahead and put it inside, just attach it in between. Okay, just see how it's going to fit in, and make sure you attach just little glue to it, and just put it inside and hold it in place and let it just dry. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and attach the rest of the feathers. I'm just going to go ahead and scatter it round, as I feel or as I like. No big deal about that. Okay, so that is exactly what I'm doing right now. So just go ahead and embellish it the same way you want it to be, just unique to your own style. There is no restriction to your embellishment. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do this, put my feathers all around, and then I'll show you the finished look of this beautiful fascinator. Okay, welcome back, dear creative, and this is our fascinator right here. Can you see the blink in between, just at the middle? Okay, I just decided to use a very nice stone to embellish that midpoint, to cover up that tacked part of our crinoline. Okay, and this is how it looks behind, very neat. Okay, and this is all about our fascinator. Okay, this is very simple and easy to make. Just go ahead and make yours, embellish it, style it, send it to us. Drop your comments, drop your questions. I would like to see your practicals, very important. Okay, thank you so much for joining in this tutorial. My name is Adiola. Once again, don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Alluredbyruby. Like us on our Instagram page at Alluredbyruby also. And most importantly, if you have not joined our group, please go ahead and type Alluredbyruby Craft Academy on Facebook, and just go ahead and answer 2 questions and you will be approved to join our group, because we have lots of freebies for you and we don't want you to miss them. All right, thank you so much. See you next class. Bye.